To ensure we can keep producing great free content, please leave a comment below or leave a question that we can help you with. Then like and subscribe for all the latest updates. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Let's look at composition now. Now this isn't the composition of your photo, but this is about the composition of photos captured outside the frame. Now let me explain a little bit more. This is a great little piece of software functionality by iPhone that when you zoom into a photo, the actual camera will hold the missing media that you have cropped now out of your photo for up to 30 days on your photos. When taking a photo, you will notice that you have a black bar at the bottom and a black bar at the top. If you then start to zoom in, at a point, the black box will disappear slightly and become a low opacity part of the frame. Now this is to show that you are capturing part of the frame. If you look back at a photo on your camera roll that you know you've zoomed into, you will notice that there is a small square and a star at the top right hand corner. If you were to go into this, you can actually press the edit button and then the crop tool, and if you pinch out, you can actually bring back some of the actual frame that was actually shot but not used. So this is a cool feature of composition that is captured outside of the frame for both photos and video. To ensure we can keep producing great free content, please leave a comment below or leave a question that we can help you with. Then like and subscribe for all the latest updates. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.